The day has come. The day has fucking come. Alright.
Hey, if you already monetized, try not to start your video off with the first 3 words be, hey guys, the fucking day is coming.
First beginning. I don't give a fuck. Anyways, where was I? Yeah guys, the day has come. How y'all niggas be doing that shit? Before this video starts, a word from our sponsors.
Wheels are ugly that he gonna show you.
Ah, fuck no, bro. Oh man, I wish these lips were a little bigger though.
Damn, that's hard.
I don't know about those faces, bro. What do you think about the faces?
I'll take them.
You think I should get them powder coated?
No.
Maybe like burnt orange.
Hell no.
Or army green.
Hey, what this a front?
That's a rear.
Okay. Damn, bro.
Should I trust them, bro? I heard they be leaving bolts loose.
From factory?
Yeah.
That'd be a good case right there.
Then I need some floating center caps.
Did you buy center caps?
No.
They don't come with.
Nah, they're right there.
They do?
I think. No, it's not center
That's
caps.
The stem probably.
Damn, it don't come with center caps.
No. Check and see. That's not the stem.
Bro, what the fuck? It really don't come with center caps?
That bit hard. Yeah, bro. You gotta buy them separate.
But what the fuck? They size me, bro.
No, real wheel game, bro. Everything costs. You should have ordered on the side.
Man, these not even Foggiatos, bro. I wanted to put Foggiatos on my shit. Man, I'm finna return these, go get some 30s.
Yeah, go do it.
Start with the back wheels. Got the back jacked up from the center point. And yeah. We ran into one little issue. Well, it's not really an issue. Something that could easily be fixed. But right here, I have to drill a hole so that I can put my tire sensor on there. Just drill it right there, put it on, call it a day. I'm gonna try to do that now without fucking up these brand new ass wheels. And yeah, 3-piece life. Is drilled. No, I didn't buy brand new sensors because I don't give a fuck. You just gotta tighten that on perfect and put this on there, over here, and here, like this, and yeah, boom. And then I put the tire on here and balance the first wheel and then put them on the car for a test fit. All right. Alright, boom, the bitches are on. Honestly, I love the way the car looks with them on. Only thing that sucks is, even though I paid all that fucking money for these wheels, these bitches ain't coming with no center caps. So I'm gonna look for some floating center caps and put them on. The fitment was pretty good. I left the spacer in the rear to make it look flush. The front had spacers, but I took them off. It's kind of close. It's not kind of, it's really fucking close. Probably gonna try to find a probably smaller tire, or maybe, yeah, smaller tire. I'm not raising that bitch up. But yeah, man, I love the way the car looks. She look fine with them on, man. Man, check the stands, man. Tit stands.
Hop in my coupe, yeah, hop